Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to uninstall program in Windows. Super simple and clean. First, go to the search bar and type add or remove program. Then click to open it. Then this will appear. Scroll through the list, search for the app you want to remove. For example, I will install Google Chrome as an example here. After that, click the three dot icon, then choose uninstall. Confirm again. If a pop-up appears, just hit yes. Click uninstall and click yes if it appears. You might be asked to choose a new default app. For example, after uninstalling Chrome, Windows may ask you to set Edge as your browser. You can repeat this process for any app you want to remove. Just be sure it's not something important to Windows itself. And that's it. That's how to easily uninstall programs on Windows 10 or 11. If this helped, make sure to like the video and check out our next tutorial. Thanks for watching.